It's going to rain today.
Yes.
I guess that's what they call a mother's touch. I could eat this stuff all day.
That Mr. and Mrs. Hughes and their cute little daughter Alicia, that had to be the perfect family.
Yeah,
Come on, perfect. The guy's nosy and obsessed with his kid. He's annoying.
you like him. He came to see us all the time.
Yet he's always complaining about how busy he is. I'm telling you, that big goof doesn't make any sense.
Why do you think he cares so much about us, though? Seriously.
It's me.
Really, Ed, you'd better tell him thanks when you get back to Central. Ed?
Did you see something, brother?
No,